Hi all, welcome to animated video note series created and owned by Manasvi Mehta, founder of businesslikeNotes.com. For exam related notes and chapter highlights, you can visit our website businesslikeNotes.com. So let's begin. Characteristics of business activities. In order to appreciate how business activity is different from other activities in society, let us discuss the nature of business or its fundamental characteristics in a distinguishing terms. First, an economic activity. Business is considered to be an economic activity because it is undertaken with the objective of earning money and not out of love, sympathy, affection, or any other emotion. This activity can be undertaken either on a small and individual level, that is, purchase and sale by a shopkeeper, or on a large scale, in a more formal and organized level, that is, purchase and sale by a cooperative society or a company. Production or procurement of goods and services. Before goods are offered to people for consumption, these must be either produced or procured by business enterprises. Thus, every business enterprise either manufactures the goods it deals in or acquires them from producers to be further sold to consumers or users. Goods may consist of consumable items of daily use, such as sugar, ghee, pen, notebook, etc., or capital goods like machinery, furniture, etc., or services, which may include facilities offered to consumers, business firms, and organizations in form of electricity, banking, and transportation. Sale or exchange of goods and services. Directly or indirectly, business involves transfer or exchange of goods and services for value. If goods are produced not for the purpose of sale but for personal consumption, it cannot be called a business activity. Cooking food at home for the family is not business, but cooking food and selling it to others in a restaurant is a business. Thus, one essential characteristic of business is that there should be sale or exchange of goods or services between the seller and the buyer. Profit earning. One of the many purposes of business is to earn income by way of profits. No business can survive for long without profit. That is why businessmen make all possible efforts to maximize profits by increasing the volume of sales or by reducing cost. Uncertainty of return. Uncertainty of return refers to the lack of knowledge relating to the amount of money that the business is going to earn in a given period. Every business invests money, capital, to run activities with the objective of earning profit. But it is not certain as to what amount of profit will be earned. Also, there is always a possibility of losses being incurred despite the best efforts put into the business. Dealing in goods and services on a regular basis. Business involves dealing in goods or services on a regular basis. One single transaction of sale or purchase, therefore, does not constitute business. Thus, for example, if a person sells his or her domestic television set, even at a profit, it will not be considered a business activity. But if or she if he or she sells radio sets regularly, either through a shop or from his or her residence, it will be considered as a business activity. Element of risk. Risk is the uncertainty associated with an exposure to loss. It is caused by some unfavorable or undesirable events. Risks are related with factors like changes in consumer taste and fashion, changes in method of production, strike or lockout at workplace, increased competition in market, fire, theft, accidents, natural calamities, etc. No business can altogether do away with risks. Thus, to summarize, whether an activity is a business activity or not, we can check out its 7 characteristics. First, it is an economic activity. Then, production or procurement of goods and services is involved. There is a sale or exchange of goods and services. Profit earning motive is there. There will be uncertainty of return, and the selling of goods and services is on regular basis involving the element of risk. Thank you everyone for watching our video. If you're interested in online classes, email us on businesslikenotes@gmail.com. If you enjoyed our video, please like and subscribe to our channel for more updates. Thank you.